What if I told you that one single change, something that takes less than an hour at the salon, could make people start guessing your age wrong in the best possible way? Not surgery. Not expensive treatments. Just your hairstyle. There are very specific cuts that work like an instant visual reset button on the face. Today I am giving you 5 of them, and the 5th one is something stylists call the secret weapon because barely anyone over 50 knows about it. Stay until the end. Welcome to Elegance at any age. If you are new here, subscribe now. This is where real affordable style for women over 50 lives. And to my returning ladies, welcome back. Let us get into it. Part 1, the science behind why hair ages or youths the face. Before we dive into the 5 hairstyles, I want to explain something that completely changed how I think about hair and aging, and once you understand this, you will never look at a hairstyle the same way again. Your face has natural focal points. Your eyes. Your cheekbones. Your jawline. When light hits these areas evenly and your hair frames them with movement and softness, the brain registers the face as youthful, alert and vibrant. But when hair sits flat, heavy or shapeless around the face, it blocks light, creates shadows in the wrong places and visually drags everything downward. This is not about how thick or thin your hair is. It is entirely about shape, movement and how the cut interacts with light. And that is exactly what makes the 5 hairstyles we are about to cover so powerful, because each one is engineered, intentionally or not, to work with light and movement rather than against it. Hairstyle 1, the soft face framing layers. This is, without question, the single most requested youthful haircut among women over 50, and once you see why, you will understand exactly why stylists recommend it so often. Soft face framing layers are shorter pieces of hair cut around the face that gently curve inward toward the chin or jaw. These layers catch light beautifully, create gentle movement when you walk or turn your head, and instantly soften any harder lines in the face. The brilliant part about this haircut is that it works on literally any length. Whether your hair is long, medium or short, adding soft face framing layers transforms the entire look. It brightens the eyes, lifts the cheeks visually and creates that fresh, lit from within appearance that so many women search for. If you do nothing else from this video, asking your stylist for soft face framing layers on your next visit is one of the simplest, most affordable changes you can make. Hairstyle 2, the long layered lob with subtle waves. A lob, meaning a longer bob that typically falls between the chin and the shoulders, becomes an entirely different haircut once you add long layers and subtle waves. Here is why this combination is so effective. The length itself is already incredibly flattering because it sits right at the collarbone, an area that naturally draws the eye toward the face. The long layers prevent the cut from looking heavy or blunt. And the subtle waves add texture and bounce that create the illusion of fuller, healthier hair, even if your natural hair has thinned slightly with age. This hairstyle requires very little daily effort. A quick wave with a curling wand or even air drying with the right products gives you that soft, youthful movement effortlessly. Hairstyle 3, the textured pixie with longer top. A lot of women hesitate at the word pixie because they imagine something extremely short and harsh. But the textured pixie with a longer top is a completely different experience. In this version, the sides and back are kept shorter while the top is left slightly longer, allowing for soft texture and movement that can be styled multiple ways. This creates incredible versatility. You can sweep it to the side for a softer look or style it slightly upward for a bolder, more striking appearance. The shorter sides also have an interesting visual effect. They draw attention directly to the eyes, cheekbones and jawline, which, when paired with good skincare and a confident smile, creates a remarkably youthful and energetic presence. Quick pause right here. If you are already thinking about which hairstyle you want to try, go ahead and tap that like button right now. It genuinely helps more women find this channel and discover these tips. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We post new videos every single week designed to help you look and feel absolutely radiant at every age. Drop a comment below too and let me know, which hairstyle on this list so far are you most drawn to? I read every single comment and I would genuinely love to hear from you. Hairstyle 4, the shoulder length shag with curtain bangs. This is one of those hairstyles that looks effortless but is actually very carefully constructed, and that careful construction is exactly why it works so well. The shag itself is full of layers throughout, creating texture and movement at every length. When you add curtain bangs, meaning bangs that part in the middle and sweep softly to either side, you create a frame around the face that immediately softens the forehead and draws focus toward the eyes. This combination works beautifully on silver, gray, white and colored hair alike, and it has a relaxed, lived-in quality that feels current rather than overly styled. It is the kind of haircut that looks good whether you spend 10 minutes or 0 minutes styling it in the morning. Hairstyle 5. The rounded bob with internal layers. The secret weapon. Here it is, the one I promised you at the beginning, the one stylists quietly call the secret weapon. On the surface this haircut looks like a simple classic bob, but the magic is entirely in what is happening underneath. Internal layers, meaning layers cut within the hair rather than at the very ends, create lift, volume and gentle movement without changing the overall rounded shape of the bob from the outside. This means you get all the clean, polished appearance of a classic bob while still enjoying the bounce and softness that internal layers provide. The result is a haircut that frames the face beautifully, adds volume exactly where aging skin tends to need it most, around the cheeks and jawline, and works on nearly every single face shape and hair texture imaginable. This is why hairstylists recommend it so consistently, yet it remains one of the most underrated haircuts in the over 50 community. Once you try it, you will understand exactly why it has earned its reputation. And there you have it. 5 hairstyles that do far more than simply change your appearance. They work with light, movement and your natural facial structure to create a genuinely youthful, energized look. The soft face framing layers, the long layered lob with subtle waves, the textured pixie with a longer top, the shoulder-length shag with curtain bangs, and the rounded bob with internal layers. Each one proves that looking younger after 50 does not require anything expensive, extreme or complicated. It simply requires the right shape, working with you instead of against you. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 hairstyles are you most excited to try, or maybe you already have one of them? Drop it in the comments below because I genuinely love reading your responses and I reply as often as I possibly can. If this video gave you something real to think about, please give it a thumbs up. It costs you nothing and it helps this channel reach so many more wonderful women just like you. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do that right now. Every single week we bring you fresh, practical and affordable tips to help you look and feel your absolute best after 50. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, the right hairstyle does not just change how you look. It changes how confidently you walk into every single room.